Hi, in this tutorial of the system functions, we will continue our functions, and now I have three functions here called cast, convert, and replace. So what those functions and how they are working? Let's see. For the cast function, it's convert a value of a data type into a specified data type, which is the convert is the same thing, but the difference is between those is each one has own script. I'm going to use, for example, the cast first, and I will show you guys how the cast is work. Let me see, I have here a database called simple tag with a flights table. Select everything from flights. And instead, I'm gonna select top 1000 here. Okay, so this is my table. And how I'm gonna use the cast here, I'm gonna, for example, I'm going to the flight date time. Here I see the my records is coming as a date time um, uh, data type. I'm gonna convert it into a date, which is I'm gonna get off all these zeros and keeping my date. So how I gonna do that? I'm gonna use here cast the flat date time as date, and I have to name my column as the same this name. So I will see all the zeros or the time it's gonna get away, and I get only the date, which is this is what I'm looking for. For the for the convert is the same thing for the result, but the script it's different. I'm gonna show you guys how. Here I'm gonna back to my same column. I'm gonna say okay, convert for me date, and for this column with the same column name. So since see this is the same result, but this is the difference of the cast and convert. The data type it's at the beginning of my expression, followed by a comma, and then by the column name. And for the cast, it's started with a column name as date without a comma. So this is how the cast convert works. For the replace function is replace a substring within a string with a new string. Let's see how what does that mean? Believe you, now you get confused. Now, for example, I have this column. It's called flight departure city. I see here this substring like the dash right here between the Dallas and Texas, between the state and city. This one right here, I want to replace it with something else. So I'm gonna go right here and write my function called replace, and I'm gonna specify here what exactly you want to replace. Would like to replace the dash. Okay, what you want to add? Okay, I want to add this slash for me. Oops. Uh, as the same name here for me. So I'm gonna see here. See right now my forward slash here. Oops, what I executed. Mm, flight. Oh, see, I selected the wrong. That's why I was wondering what is going on. There is no dashes here. I selected the wrong column. Now, flight departure city. Flights departure destination city. Where I went. Let me see. Flight departure city right here. It's right here. Oh, damn. Now I got it. I got it. Departure city. It will be added here. It will be added here. Now, the departure city now will be changed right here. The slashes. I was, confused because I was naming my destination city as a departure city. Now, the both names compatible. The the new name with my original name. See, this is my convert that I used in a previous system function. And now this might replace here with where I was looking for the dash, and I replace it with a forward slash. And I'm gonna, like, if I, just for example, if I get off my function, is back to the original um, uh, to the original data, which coming with the substring that comes with a dash instead of the forward slash that I was choose in my example. So this is how it use the replace function and convert along with the cast function. Thank you for watching.